Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Basically guys, I'll be take you into my investment portfolio today. So uh yes guys. So basically what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna go into my investment income passive income investment portfolio, and today I'm gonna take you through my Coinbase account. And the reason why I'm gonna take you to my Coinbase account guys, because there has been some update on the platform, so they're no longer offering yield on some of the asset that I basically hold. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna I will have to move those earnings so I'm able to get the best results. Yes guys, as you can see here, my balance is 45 dollars Canadian and 53 cents. So guys, this is basically a do-it-yourself DIY investment portfolio with Coinbase. So guys, basically you have to make your own decision to make sure that you are getting the best results on your investment. So yes guys, so that's what I'm about to share with you today. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna go into my assets, and as I go into my asset, I'm gonna stroll um down to my yield earning, and as you guys can see, my balance there, I have made 56 cents basically passively for just healing my asset. So yes guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna click straight into that so I can show you what's available. So as you can see guys, they have a update, and basically after December the 14th, they are no longer accepting basically this uh asset right here, which is DAI. So what I'm gonna do guys, I have take out my earnings, so basically I just have a cent there. I cannot transfer that cent over, so it has to just stay there. But what I did, I transfer over um all of that earning. Yes guys, because they're no longer giving me a yield and that, so that's just a update. So yes guys, it's up to them now to take this off my platform, so it's no longer there. So as you can see, I have um 5 asset that I am earning, and as you can see, I have been earning a little bit, um so I'm thankful for that. Yes guys, now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go into my assets to show you guys basically what I'm holding and how much money I have holding on those assets. Yes, so if I just stroll up here, I'm just gonna click see all. So yes guys, so as you can see, I have Bitcoin, which is $13 that Canadian. I have Cardano, which is $5, Ethereum $4, Solana $4. I have Cosmos, so that's $3. I have Algorand, so that's $3. I have US dollars, that's just $3. I have um Tezos, so that's just $2 guys. I have Dogecoin, and that is just $2. Litecoin $1, and so all the rest is basically just cents. Yes guys, so basically I have just transfer over my earnings. So as you can see, they're just zero. I'm not sure why Coinbase hold these on my platform, all these on my platform, even though they're like zeros. I'm not sure, but these are basically zeros and cents. So my um least amount of money that I have holding is in and that's from $1 up. It's basically Litecoin guys. Yes, so that's basically all my earnings right there. so uh yes guys, so guys, this is basically my Coinbase update for you guys to show you guys how I've been earning. As you can see, this is just my balance, and as you can see, they have a Web3 wallet, which is basically new. As you can see here, you can watch a tutorial on how um everything tutorial on it and how it works and stuff like that. So if you basically want to go ahead and invest in some NFTs, you can go ahead and do so. So if you're decided to use Coinbase, guys, I will leave my link in the description just for you, so you're able to just click the link, make your very own account. You will be getting on some sign-on bonus and stuff like that. um so just to keep that into consideration, guys. They're basically free. You don't have to um put any money in the account. You just to get started, it's basically free to get started. So yes, guys. Oh, also I have a overview and everything, so I just show you guys before, and this is just how I've been earning, guys. And the thing that I want to leave with you guys is that once you're on an investment platform, especially a DIY investment, which you're gonna basically do it for yourself, you have to be active on that platform, meaning making adjustments, because you can lose your earnings very fast if you're not updated and moving stuff around, so you're able to get your best um interest on your money or interest on your earnings and stuff like that. So yes, guys, this is basically what I do, guys, and I'm just sharing it with you. So if you decided to start earning with me, guys, you can go ahead on my channel. I have some other ways how you're able to earn. So yes, guys, so before I go, guys, I just want to say, guys, always remember, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye, guys.